Finger exercises can help strengthen your hands and fingers and increase your range of motion and give you a pain relief. Let's start with this simple stretch. Make a fist. Stretch only until you feel tightness, you should not feel pain. And also, a bit of discomfort does not mean that you are doing yourself any harm. But seek advice if you have severe pain during or after the exercise, or if the pain does not ease in a few days. Fingers spread. Pull your fingers together by pressing your hand down into the table and bunching up the towel between your fingers. Then repeat. You can also do this without using a towel and simply by pressing down on the table and squeezing your fingers together and then stretching them apart. These exercises are for use at home following instruction by a member of your healthcare team. Making an O. Bring the tip of the thumb together with the tip of each finger one by one. If you have pain when doing an exercise, stop the exercise immediately and relax. Next one is Tug of War. Put an envelope or a card between your thumb and your finger with your both sides. Try to pull the envelope and try to resist from both sides on a count of 3. So these are the easy ways to stretch your tired fingers. Do try at once. Tabletop. Bend the knuckles of your fingers while keeping the middle and wrist straight, forming a tabletop. Claw stretch. Bend your fingertips down to touch the base of each finger joint. Your hand should look like a claw. Hold it for few seconds and release.